teman-teman, masih bertemu dengan saya Hafid Game in the Game. Oke, pada video kali ini kita akan melanjutkan game A Lost in Random, dimana di video sebelumnya kita sudah melakukan perjalanan ringan di kota kedua. Dan kita juga akan kemarin juga sudah battle ringan untuk mendapatkan 3 kunci yang dimana kita bisa ke kota ketiga kemungkinan. Dan di video kali ini perjalanan kita masih panjang untuk bertemu dengan saudara kita yang diambil oleh The Queen. Dan tanpa basa-basi lagi, kita langsung saja masuk ke gamenya. Oke teman-teman, kita sudah di gamenya. Di video sebelumnya kita sudah ada di Town Square. Ada 2 side quest juga yang harus kita selesaikan. Dan kita masuk ke downtown dulu sebelum kita nanti explore lagi lebih lanjut. Oke, saving langsung.
As she looked up, Even began to realize that Two Town's name was easily twice as literal as she'd suspected. They seemed to be constructing a second town.
I've had enough of this job. Ouch. Okay. All right. Huh?
Ya kepeng.
Dice? Where did you come from, little one?
Let him go! That's right. You better smarten up and look where you're going, alright?
Well, you're very angry for someone so small.
I'm not small. You're a big clumsy giant who goes around sitting on my friends.
Again, I apologize. It was an accident.
Alright, apology accepted. Look, I'm trying to find my sister, and I've got to get through that big old door.
Hey, Seymour, haven't seen your sister, though. The thing is, I don't see too much of anything these days, and not since the nanny confiscated most of my eyes. 2 of them for Two Town, she said. And Nanny Fortuna's the right hand of the Queen, and has been for years. She's as mean as she is old. And let's just say she doesn't take kindly to people borrowing her super pricey mechanical spider wagon. Anyway, once she gave my eyes to the mayor, they disappeared. I haven't heard any news about them since.
Hah? Mayor.
Oh, it seems like we both have a reason not to like her. The Civil War and Freedom, you know, tried to desert it and got sentenced for treason. I wasn't doing any good there anyway. I'm a lover, not a fighter. But enough about that. What's up with this? Dice! I haven't seen a real one in years. I see you're missing a couple of pips, little one, if you're gonna go anywhere. You are new, aren't you? Door to Three Towns forever locked. Keeps the district separate by order of the Queen. You'd need to roll a 3 to open it, and since nobody has a dice anymore, well, they stay closed. But your little friend's so close to 3. I could fix you, but I can't. Not unless I get my missing eyes back.
Huh?
Oh, if only a brave dice wielder would find it in her heart of glory to begin a quest to find and return my eyes. Absolutely. I'm certain the nanny passed my eyes on to the mayor. Of course, if she'd given them to the right mayor, getting them back would be easy, but she gave them to that upside-down one. Ugh, what a nightmare. Oh, that's a good one. Listen, even if things were that easy, do you think we'd all be here? Heck no. We'd all be in Sixtown, living the high life, relaxing by whatever it is that Six-Towners relax by. A pool of gold, probably. sadly, it's not that easy, even. Especially not since that nanny has given my eyes to that nightmare of a mayor. So, yeah, find my eyes, and I can definitely help you. So, you'll help out old Seymour?
Oke.
Thank you. Be careful with that two-faced mayor. Okay, if you need me, I'll be over at the town square, near the door to Freedom. Oh, it's a bad place. It's one of the 6 towns, one for each side of the Queen's black dice. We used to be united, but that was generations ago. Before the No Dice War, Random has seen a lot of war.
Oke, Civil War apa yang terjadi sih?
Oh, don't get me started, kiddo. The town's being ruined by a family of triplets. It's petty sibling rivalry on a humongous destructive scale, with no end in sight.
Even decided that she felt a kinship with this sad, large monster. He'd been hurt by the same people who took her sister. She had the sense she was the only one who could help him. And she had the sense Seymour could end up helping her too.
Oke. Kita lanjutin dulu aja perjalanan. Karena di belakang ada yang bisa kita lakukan juga sih. Lebih ke battle. Oke, makin narik kameranya lebih ke bawah sekarang. Ada sih.
Low down there.
Apa yang gue lihat?
Well met, even. I am the mayor. Well, one of them at least.
At last, Even had arrived at the mayor of Two Town, the administrator of this land, and the alleged thief of Seymour's eyes. Or at least, Even had arrived at his lower extremities.
What brings you to my office today, Even? You're trying to blind your mister with your swollen thighs? Mine a twister for some colon guys? Grind your... why don't you take the elevator and step into my office, Even? It'll be easier to talk.
Nah itu aja. Oke bentar ya. Lumayan so, itu dapat sesuatu. Entah merahnya tinggi banget. Nggak bisa ditambah dari sini ya. Kalangan kakinya Mayor. Wow, tinggi bedah.
It's so a shining city in the sky.
Mayornya tinggi bet. Ah, kelihatan sekarang. Oke. Checking. Oh, nggak bisa. Gue kira bisa cek sesuatu. Ini surat. Ya dong surat. Gue kira tulang. Gue tinggal ke kanan ya. Bentar. Gue hancurin dulu. Ya, kena lagi. Nice, stop. Oke, gue udah sampai di depan lu nih.
Yes, hello. Step into my office, such as it is. Don't mind the thing sticking out of my hat. He's... how best to explain this? I had a lot on my mind about this Upside Downtown project. It was starting to get out of hand, and then one day he was just there.
I've always been here.
Right. We'd better keep our voices down, Even, if we are to keep this conversation away from his ears. I'm sure you noticed the changes here, Even. Our personalities becoming personified now. That's what Royam is. He's growing out of my hat, and I don't know how to stop him. I don't know how to fix this town, Even, and I don't know why I'm telling you this. Oh, I suppose you just have a face one can trust. In any case, what brings you to the mayor today? What's that, little girl? You want to know how our first-past-the-post democratic system works? Why, I'd be happy to explain it in tremendous detail beginning now. Okay, I think that warded him off. That thing growing out of my hat has a name. Royam.
Royal.
What? Oh, I never thought of that. Anyway, Royam is my opposite side. He's much more self-assured than I am, which normally would be great, but the things he's doing, I don't know if I can support them. Well, for starters, he's wasting precious time and people on this upside-down project. Secondly, he is bat-dung mad as a hatter, and he freaks me out personally. He's my opposite, but at the end of the day, that's the grand thing about Two Town, isn't it? Everyone's got the other half. It's just like breathing to us. Mostly like breathing.
Oke, gue ada beberapa pertanyaan. Waduh, banyak banget. Kayak atas lo dah.
Oh, that's the Queen's idea. She wants us to build a second Two Town. Duality and all that. It'll be glorious, of course. Everything the Queen does is glorious. But, well, it just seems to be that it's taking its time to get to that glory and, well, never mind. I'm speaking out of turn.
Okay.
Right. Queens always know best. I should stop worrying about it.
Okay.
It is, yes. It didn't used to be this way. Truth be told, the two-ness in this town can be a little tiring. Everyone being split into dual personalities is what makes us who we are. But building a second city... Exactly. At its best, it is a mad experiment to test my patience, keeping half of the citizenry occupied with useless work while the rest of my town stagnates. Oh, but look at myself lose my temper again. We must trust in the Queen's grand plan for us all, in our duty to ensure that what she wants happens. In the end, it is all fair, even random rules. I wish it were that easy, even, but... Oh, if only it were that simple. I'm just the mayor. She's the Queen. I'm a 2, and she's a 6. I'm simply not a man of action, even. Not anymore. There's nothing I can do. Yes, well, we must all take the roles we're given in life, yes?
Oke, kita mau tanya saudara kita.
No, I'm afraid not. You're the first tourist we've had in quite some time. Have you considered spending some time in currency down the wonderful Cellar Street? Oh, good. As mayor, I expect that should make me happy. We've got a new slogan, you know, straight from Nani Fortuna. It's Two Town, where the fun is doubled. So twice the fun. That's something to look forward to.
Okay.
I'm afraid not even. Despite my title, I'm in no position to help you. But... well, if you dared, you could try talking to Royam directly. I shouldn't even be mentioning his name. But, well, you need my help, and this is all I can do. I suspect he knows more than he lets on. I'm lowering an elevator for you, even. It's your choice. And good luck.
Oke, thank you Mayor. Oh untuk biar naik turunnya. Ya udah semua deh. Thank you Pak. Topinya jadi satu. Okay.
Greetings, my name is Royan, and I'm in charge. You know I'm the boss because I'm so...
Big.
big? That doesn't rhyme with charge. You're clearly new at this. You're very rude to point out my struggle. As mayor, I've got lots of priorities to... Stop interrupting me. I almost had it.
Okay.
Him, the mayor? Don't make me laugh. He's less than the smallest member of my...
Stop.
Yes, I was about to say that. You have met but an idiotic fool. I'm surprised he's not covered in his own...
You have me, but an idiot fool. I'm surprised he not cover his own troll.
Look, you've broken my flow and made me stop rhyming. I'm busy with the construction of my masterpiece, my legacy, my gift to random of that wondrous second moon, and you're interrupting me? What do you want?
Okay, to the point.
Why should I deal with you? I am the designer, builder, overseer of the new town. The better one. Much better than the one that idiot mayor oversees. You want your friend's eyes back, don't you?
Ya udah pasti dong.
Good. Very good. There's something you need to know. Here's how this is going to go. There, you see? My rhymes are getting better. I'm struggling with my poem about the moon, and I'd like to have it done real quickly. You know what? That gives me a thought. I'll give you the eyes, but you'll have to do...
Yeah.
Yes, that's it precisely. Just teach me how to rhyme. In a nice manner. Here's my offer, take it or leave. Bring me a perfect poem about the moon and I'll grant you Seymour's eyes. You are good.
Okay.
Yes, that's the deal we have struck. Go find rhymes and I wish you... I'll think of it eventually. Get to it before I change my mind. It's only temporarily that our interests are... parallel to each other. Farewell, young stranger, and let me give you some advice well earned. Stay out of my way and you won't get cooked.
Oke, kita bisa kanan dan kiri juga. Kita ada
It
di...
was a mad quest for an insane, upside-down mayor. But it was all even had to go on. There was some
ups and down.
particular propaganda posters hanging on the walls. Perhaps those could be of inspiration.
Kita explore dulu. Kotanya seperti apa yang di bagian atasnya. Karena dia terbalik posisinya.
Construction is on schedule. Of course it is. I'm the best there is in this construction line of employment.
Astaga, dia lagi dah. Kebanyakan ngedumel dia. Daisy, masuk dulu dong. Apa nih?
They said it wasn't possible. They said it was a lie. Meet Miss Mystique from Papo's Wild Circus, the woman with 3 personalities. Miss? I could use that word.
Dapat langsung.
A good night's sleep is every evening's prize. Sleep twice as well when you wear sleeping eyes. Sleeping eyes? Yeah, I like the sound of that.
Oke, panjang juga perjalanan kita di sini. Jalannya berliku-liku.
I've got a card up my sleeve, in my chest, up my nose, up me... well,
Oke,
everywhere. Let's try
ada
it.
kartu bagus. Hai. Kartunya kayak gini semua. Gua perlu yang bagus. Masa harus beli dulu biar dapat bagus. Ini dah. Hazard. Oke deh. Gak banyak yang dapat dari dia. Battle kayak kita. Lego. Ih, hampir saja. Dia ganggu juga sih. Sana. Daisy. Dapat Daisy. Ntar ya, biar Daisy-nya kesini dulu. Ntar gue dapatnya ini aja. Demand. Oke, let's go. Here we go. Dapat loh. Kena loh. Duh, hancur lagi pedang gua. Sana Daisy. Sana juga Daisy. Gua harus sambil panas sih. Oke, let's go. Draw new card. Gua ambilin dulu. Draw new card. Oke dah. Dapat yang bagus. Hihi. Salah ambil, harusnya gue ambil panah tadi. Nice. Dapet loh. Bentar. Agak susah tuh yang atas. Dia harus dipanah, itu masalahnya. Let's go. Aduh, salah gue. Nice, dapet. Oke. Hai, kurang. Dapat. Hup, Daisy. Thank you. Dapat lagi. Jelek banget dah kartunya. Oke, let's go. Gua nothing. Dapat yang bagus juga. Gua nggak perlu itu. Gua perlu panah. Decknya harus gue rubah nih. Panah ada nggak? Panah, please panah. Kartu gue tinggal 2 lagi. Dapat nggak? Nice. Kok pedang? Dih, jelek bet. Adalah mau gimana lagi? Oke. Nah, dapat akhirnya. Turun lu. Kena lu. Kena. Nice, kena lu. Ribet juga. Hup. No. Hancuran lagi. Let's go Daisy. Come here. Oke, gue bisa dapat panah. Langsung aja dah. Here we go. Duh, nggak kena. Aduh, miss. Mamam tuh. Oke, kesini Daisy. Hai. Ada dia ternyata. One more. Dapat loh. Daisy. Gak ada yang bisa gue lakukan ya. Kartunya gak bagus-bagus betah. Oke. Pasin dulu. Nice tak. Misi. Belum keluar lagi tuh. Dapat. Nyangkut segala lagi. Ini. Aduh. Dapat nggak ya? Cuma 2. Nggak mau ini. 1, 2. Aduh. 2, 3, 4, 5. Kam 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Miss. Banyak bedah dah musuh-musuhnya. Ya dia lagi. Ayo, terus. Ambil satu. Dapat apa? Oke deh, pakai dulu. Udah deh. Aduh. Nice Pak Daisy. Daisy kesana. Nice tak. Duh. Mode-mode gini nih. Misi. Gue bisa ambil satu itu sih. Oke, darah gue nambah. Let's go. Turun lu. Ih. Hampir. Dekatan semua ya ini ya. Sini loh, bisa terbang. Aduh, nyangkut. Gua bentang lagi. Gak kena. Duh. Adios amigos. Ada dua nggak ya? Ribet juga. Nice tak. Nice tak. Oke, lego dulu. Terlalu dempet. Tuh, Daisy-nya di sana. Daisy. Thank you. Gua perlu itu tuh. Nice toh. So close. Nice, dapat. Aduh, ribet betah. Lama banget ini. Oke, Daisy. Ada 3 nggak ya? Cuma 1 doang. Paling ini. Oke. Let's go. Sip, dapat loh. Untuk dapat item sih gua. Iya. Duh. Giliran dapat item yang bagus, nggak ada item supportnya gitu loh. Oke, Daisy. Oke deh. No support item. Mana Daisy? Thank you. Cuma Daisy yang bantu gua. Dapat nggak sih? Please. Akhirnya dapat juga nih. Come. Here we go. Nice tak. Kena loh. Mana lagi nih? Sini lu. Paling depan. Hihihi, kena lu. Jadi kena geprak lu. Ini dulu dah ganggu. Ambil darah. Pedang. Paling cuma ini doang sih yang bisa jadi supportnya. Kena lo. Sumpah lama banget nih. Oke, lanjut ke atas dulu. Kita dapetin itu kita balik. Oh, ada tempat satu lagi yang bisa kebuka itu. Oke, kita ambil.
Oh my grace! I was pinned down by those vile machines, but now they're scrap. So thank you. The name's Big Red. Playing it mysterious, not telling me your name. I can respect that. I'll call you Big Mystery. Big Red and Big Mystery here in Two Town. Pleasure to make your acquaintance, kid. What brings you up here to this horrible place, Big Mystery?
Ini sih.
Afraid I can't help with either of those, but I got a life here. A precious little life, but it's mine. And now that I can move freely again, I think I'm gonna head back down to Two Town. See, I have
mau
this
ke bawah.
brother, named Little Joe. Oh, you'd remember. Looks just like me, only he's a jerk. I got sent here instead. He made some sort of deal. Little Joe tricked me, his own twin sister. So now he's down there, and I'm stuck up here, and I hate every minute of it. Oh, I was, for sure. And I was of two minds about it for a long time. But now I'm just tired. I know what he did was wrong, and I know he knows it too. He probably feels really guilty about it. But I don't want revenge. I just want to leave. I just want to go home.
Oke.
Now I
Pam.
can. Oh, thank you. You've really made a difference in my life, Big Mystery. Oh, please take this. It's my way of saying thanks. I'm finally free.
Dapat apa? Oke, kita dapat semuanya.
Listen to Crooner Hairy Harry's new double-length record.
Oke, waktunya balik ke
Inspired by
dia
the new moon of Two Town. It's twice as good as his last album. Crew. That's a nice poetic word.
Aduh, itu gimana ya? Itu harus turun.
My workers are building at a terrific rate. If you ask me, they're doing it.
No. Not really. Sebenarnya di sini banyak banget side quest, tapi kita lihat deh nanti.
as Wolfpaw belt you. Top der Dulke. Nete. Zafunge. The Red. The real. You. Funge. Top Wolf belt as the belt. Torch. Doi. Taste. Full pork. Fuzz, they so fast, Bumbo, think it
Jadi gua perlu ini gimana ya? Atau itu ada lubang? Malah dapet ini gua.
good. All is going according to plan. I truly am Toontown's greatest male individual.
Dia harus diambil sendiri manual. Ada tombol? Ada juga. Ada indikator juga.
Build my city in the sky. Go on, don't be shy.
Dapat lagi nih.
A new city that's
Kita punya berapa poster sih?
way up.
A feast for the senses, a balm for the body, a spiritual bouquet. You simply have to try Crazy Cryptid's chopped cheese bloob. Now half price every second Tuesday.
Oke, dapat semuanya ternyata kita.
Spiritual bouquet. It's a nice touch. Phrase.
Oke, dapat. Apa kita? Kebanyakan kartunya sama semua ya. Oke, ini semuanya. Ini satu, ini satu, ini satu, ini satu, ini satu. Untuk attack udah semuanya kan? Oke, yang penting attack sih.
There, even had all the materials she needed to face Royum in a battle of rhymes.
Ya udah kembali lagi ya
Did
ke sini.
she have the skill?
Game Master's
There was only one way to find out.
Kita bisa turun
What are you
situ.
doing here? This is an active construction site. We have work to do here, kid. It doesn't matter what your name is. You can't be here, kid. Look, we're all under a tight schedule here. I can't stop work just to escort you home. So, if you promise not to die or otherwise interfere with our work here, I'll answer some questions for you, okay? But by the card makers, we can't have kids wandering around an active work site. Come on, get going, before my other side pitches in on what to do about you.
Oke. Gue mau ke sana.
Hey again, Eva. Be safe out. Alright?
Gak bisa.
Come on, get going, before my other side pitches in on what to do about you.
Oh, udahlah nanti. Oke dah. Udah semuanya. Oke, ya. Waktunya ketemu dia lagi. Habis itu kita selesaikan dan kita lanjut di next video saja ya. Kan udah terlalu panjang juga. Gak bisa turun ya.
She wasn't sure if she was ready, but on the other hand, she wasn't at all certain she'd ever be. So she did the only thing she could. She went for it.
This is it, even. It all comes down to this. If you come at me with a moon poem, you'd better not. Is that really the best you've got? Come back when you've found better rhymes.
Hah?
So, you want to try this again?
Bentar, berarti harus gue pelajarin tuh. mana yang gue dapatkan? Bukan. Oh, gue harus ke situ dulu ya. Gue belum kesini ya. Gue nggak bisa ke sana. Coba kalau ke depan dulu. Karena ininya di sini.
So, you want to try this again? We shall pluck the wings from painted butterflies to fan the moonbeams from two towns.
Oke.
And accept.
Oke, salah.
So, you want to try this again? We shall pluck the wings from painted butterflies. I asked you for help, not.
Aduh, notnya ya.
So, you want to try this? We shall pluck the wings from. Yes. Ooh, I like that very much. Let's proceed. And we shall be made minions of the moon to look forward to everything the mayor does.
Scroon?
Yes, there's no rule that says a poem can't talk up the poet some. Well done. Now, last verse. And we shall always swear by the two moons, for they change each day. The upside down town is the only place that offers such a... Such perfect rhymes. For a perfect moon. I think I have it, yes. Well done, little poet. You have earned yourself quite a boon. Surprisingly pragmatic. I like that attitude. With this poem, I will be set free. Oh, but of course, I promise you I will dig into that matter. Meanwhile, I want to give you something else. The highest honor in this land. I grant you access to the second moon's staging grounds. If you have ever had the good fortune to tread on that hallowed ground, go there, admire it, and then I will give you what you seek.
Oke, udah saving ya? Oke, teman-teman. Di next video kita akan bisa turun ke bawah sana karena kita sudah.
My workers are building at a terrific rate. If you ask me, I think that's great. It's nice to see them finally pulling their body mass, metaphorically.
Oke, teman-teman. Kita sudah mendapatkan izin untuk bisa
Build my city in the sky. Go on, don't
kita
be
sudah
shy.
mendapatkan izin untuk
We
turun
need
ke
a
sana
new city
dan kita
that's
akan
way
melihat
up
bulan
at
yang
a
dia bikin.
significant height.
Dan juga banyak hal yang bisa kita explore di sini. Pertama, misi kita adalah banyak banget dari A Tale of Two. Dalam artian kita harus visit second moon, return see more eyes, open the gate freedom. Terus yang ini convert Little Joe. Gue nggak tahu. Big reward her brother Little Joe. Her trade her short freedom up down events. Kita harus ke Little Joe. Ke Little Joe yang kita selamatkan kalau nggak salah. Burn First Blood kita masih belum tahu. Terus Get Rid of Blood, Trade in Cellar Street. Masih banyak hal yang bisa kita lakukan di kota kedua ini dalam artian side questnya, dan main questnya kita harus ke visit a second moon dulu karena kita belum bisa mengembalikan matanya si Seymour, dan juga buka gate yang freedom. Oke teman-teman, mungkin videonya sampai di sini dulu. Perjalanan event masih banyak, masih panjang juga, dan kita tidak tahu sampai part berapa ini game. Dan ya, terima kasih yang sudah menonton video, dan sampai jumpa di video yang berikutnya. Dadah. See you.